Hello, this is John Pesic with T1V. I'm at ISE 2020 here in Amsterdam, and I'm standing next to our newest solution, which we launched at the end of last year, and that is called our Hub VC, typically deployed in your smaller meeting rooms like huddle spaces. It's designed to do three things and three things well. That is be able to whiteboard and annotate, video conference, and share your screen. So as you see from the welcome screen here, if I wanted to do a video conference and say I had a meeting scheduled at 12 o'clock with Zoom, it's as simple as one touch by touching the icon and it'll launch directly into that Zoom meeting. Or if I wanted to do an impromptu video call, I simply touch this icon, and as you see, it allows me built in with either Zoom, WebEx, or Microsoft Teams. Comes with all three of those platforms available, which gives us a bit of a point of difference out there. Now, if I wanted to do a video call and then share my screen, I could, or if I wanted to, again, I could do some whiteboard and annotations. So I would just touch this icon, and I could immediately start trying to annotate. I can add as many whiteboards as I want, and when I do, as you see, it populates a menu up here, so I could jump around to different whiteboards. I can make it full screen if I wanted to. And the third key thing that I'm able to do is I'm also able to go into device sharing. So as you see, Kate's sharing her device right here, and from here I can go ahead and start annotating, so I can make anything on there that she's sharing as well. So that's the three basic things: video conferencing, whiteboard annotations, as well as device sharing. It's Hub VC. Find out more at t1v.com.